Good morning everyone. Today we will start chapter number 8, that is animals, how life goes on. In this chapter we will talk about animals and how they reproduce. So first we will talk about what is lifespan. Lifespan is basically simply the duration up to which a particular living being is living. Reproduction is the process by which the new individual is produced. This we will talk about, and then we will talk about the mammals. What are mammals and how mammals take care of their young ones. This we will cover in this chapter, and then we will talk about the birds, how birds reproduce, and then we will talk about the internal structure of an egg in this chapter, and we will also talk about the different stages of the development of the chick. These are the different stages. And then we will talk about other egg-laying animals. Like first we will talk about the life cycle of frog. This is the life cycle of frog, and then two more life cycle we will study here: life cycle of cockroach and the life cycle of a butterfly. So coming to the first topic of this chapter, that is a simply, what do you mean by lifespan? So lifespan is simply the how much time a particular living being is living. For example, the average lifespan of human beings is around 60 to 80 years, and the average lifespan of the plant, it depends upon the type of plant. If small plant is there, and it will live for shorter period of time, and if there are big trees are there, they can live for longer period of time. So it depends upon the individual, it depends upon the living being. All are having different lifespan. So you should know what is a lifespan. So all the topics that we will cover today, this is given on page number 68, and these two topics, these we will discuss today. So this you can read from the book, and we will do in the form of notes. So first of all, see here, what is lifespan? So lifespan, it is a full span of living thing, or you can say the full duration of a living thing. And there is one more definition given in your book also. You can see from here also that what is a lifespan: the period of time for which a living thing lives or is expected to live. So that time period up to which a living thing live or expected to live, it is known as lifespan. Now coming to the reproduction. So reproduction is simply the process by which living beings produce more of their own kind. The process by which a living being produce the more of their own kind, it is known as reproduction. And reproduction is basically classified into two categories. How? That there are some animals which give birth to directly to their young ones. Like humans, they give birth to the babies directly. Cows also, they give birth to calf, and dogs also give birth to the puppies. So they give birth to their young ones. But there is one more category, that some lay eggs also, like frogs, hens, snakes, they lay eggs for reproduction. So there are two type of reproduction: the animals which give birth to young ones, and the animals which lay eggs. And you should know at least 3 example of each. Reproduction is simply the process by which the new individual is produced of their own kind, and reproduction is very important to carry a life, or you can say to carry the generation from one generation to another. The reproduction is very important, and it plays a very important role in the environment development also. In reproduction occurs in animals also, and reproduction takes place in the plants also. And about plants we will discuss in detail in higher classes. So next we will talk about most important, that is mammals. So what are mammals? Mammals are those animals which give birth to young ones and feed them on their milk. They are called mammals. Mammals are those which give birth to the young ones. And how they feed the babies? They feed their babies by milk. And most of the bodies of the mammals, they are covered with the hair. So some example of mammals are cats, horses, elephants, goats, rabbits, rat, and even human beings. And there is smallest living mammal. The smallest living mammal, its name is kitty. It is K here. Kitty's hog-nosed bat. The name of the smallest living mammal is Kitty's hog-nosed bat, and it is only 1 inch long and it weighs around 2 grams. So it is this much small, but this is a mammal, and name is Kitty's hawk-nosed bat. Now coming to that, how mammals after reproduction take care of their babies. So the next topic is very easy to understand. See here, these are the some points. Care of young ones by the mammals. They feed the babies. They provide food to the babies either by providing them milk or either by providing food from outside. They clean them. They clean their babies from the dust or the harmful environment which is around them. They keep them warm. They keep their bodies warm. They keep the bodies of the young ones warm either by sitting on them or either providing them proper space. They protect them from enemies. They also protect their babies from the bigger animals or from human beings, you can say, depending upon the what kind of fear they are having from their enemies. Mother teaches them to find food. The mother of the mammals, or you can say the mammal mother, teaches their babies that how they can find food by themselves, and if they will learn to find food by themselves, they can easily live on their own after growth. Fathers or you can say the mammal father also hunt for food. Hunt for food means they go outside and they do hunting for food so that they can feed their babies, and also they protect their young ones from the enemies. This is different ways how the mammals take care of their young ones after their birth or after reproduction. So on the basis of today's topic, you will complete this assignment. This assignment you have to complete in your rough notebook, and you will send me the pics after writing all the answers. So that's all for the day, and if there is any doubt, you can message me on my WhatsApp number. Take care and stay blessed.